Dr. Jaffe, can you explain the connection between the gut and the immune system?
Well, when most people say the gut, they mean digestion, which is part of the microbiome. The microbiome is the digestive tract plus the lining of the intestines from the mouth to the tush. That is a semi-permeable membrane that is designed to take up essential building block nutrients and exclude any larger molecules because they would cause immune burden. Immune defense and repair system burdens are very often from partially digested foods that come in through a leaky or channel enhanced intestinal lining. And that's why we have produced a digestive quintet to support the stomach, the small intestine, and most importantly, recycled glutamine to repair and energize the enterocytes. The enterocytes are the single cells that are between your external world, your digestion, for example, and your internal world, your biology. Now, half of your immune defense and repair system is in what are known as Peyer's patches, which is the immune system representative in the intestines. And it's only in the last few decades that we've understood how critically important it is to have a healthy enterocyte population and have a healthy immune defense and repair system lining your intestines and hopefully trapping any larger, partially digested food remnants that might get in. So the microbiome is more than digestion, and it is an essential part of living healthfully and well. And it's in an intimate communion with your metabolism or metabolome. Now, the metabolome includes biodetoxification and includes how efficient cells are, whether you have enough magnesium to energize and activate your ATP, whether you have enough magnesium to buffer your cellular acids that are produced by the mitochondria. So when we get an ATP molecule, the mitochondria also gives us a proton, an acid molecule. If you have enough magnesium and potassium, you can then transfer that acid outside the cell. But if metabolic acidosis occurs because of lack of magnesium and its enhanced uptake with choline citrate, you run down into chronic disease. Metabolic acidosis is the underlying antecedent, the underlying primary cause of much chronic illness. And we do now know by measuring the urine pH after rest how many doses, 2, 3, 4, 5, of magnesium and choline citrate you need to deal with the metabolic acids of life. So, microbiome, we are learning each day, each year, the many wondrous ways in which the microbiome can protect us when we feed it properly. Processed foods and beverages should be avoided. Plastic and plastic containers should be avoided. Food made in and served with styrofoam or plastic should be avoided. And we should consume whole foods in a wide variety of ways so that we enhance our microbiome and our metabolome and can thrive in the 21st century. Please see our book, Thriving in the 21st Century, for details of how to implement this approach.